Ever wondered what happens outside your website that influences your online visibility? Well, let's dive right into it. Off-page SEO, or search engine optimization, is the complex web of actions taken outside of your own website that impact your rankings within search engine results pages, or SERPs. This includes everything from link building to social media marketing and more. Now you might ask, why is off-page SEO so important in 2023? Well, my friends, let's break it down. Imagine your website as a book. On-page SEO is like the cover and the blurb that tells search engines what your book is about. But off-page SEO? That's like the reviews and recommendations that tell search engines how good your book is. And just like the best books get the most attention, the best websites with strong off-page SEO get higher rankings on search engines. One of the most significant factors in off-page SEO is backlinks, which are links from other websites that point to your site. These are like personal recommendations, and search engines view them as a signal of trust and authority. But not all backlinks are created equal. The quality and relevance of the websites linking to you matter a lot. Then there's the world of social signals. These are likes, shares, votes, pins, or even views on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. These signals indicate that users find your content valuable, which search engines love. Finally, let's not forget user experience. How people interact with your site when they visit it, whether they stay or leave, how long they stay, and whether they engage with your content. All of these factors play a critical role in off-page SEO. So, there you have it. Off-page SEO is a vital part of your digital strategy, so let's delve into how you can optimize it. Scene script. Backlinks are the backbone of off-page SEO, but what makes a backlink high quality? Let's dive right in. Backlinks, also known as inbound or incoming links, are simply links from one website to another. They're like the streets between pages, allowing search engines to discover how content is interconnected. But not all backlinks are created equal. What makes a backlink high quality, you ask? It's all about relevance, authority, and trust. Relevance is key. Picture this. You're a tech blogger, and you gain a backlink from a popular gardening website. Sure, it's a backlink, but it's not relevant to your content. Now, if that backlink was from a renowned tech website, that's a different story. Google appreciates this relevance and rewards you with a boost in your search engine rankings. Authority matters too. A backlink from a well-respected, authoritative site carries more weight than one from a lesser-known site. It's the digital equivalent of a recommendation from a trusted friend. And then there's trust. A backlink from a trustworthy website signals to search engines that your content is reliable and valuable. Trustworthy sites have a track record of producing high-quality content and are often well-established within their field. So, how do you go about acquiring these high-quality backlinks? Start by creating exceptional content that others will want to link to. Reach out to relevant, authoritative sites within your niche and suggest a content swap or guest post. Consider using tools like Moz's Link Explorer or RF's Backlink Checker to identify potential linking opportunities. Remember, the process of acquiring high-quality backlinks is not a one-time task. It requires consistent effort and a strategic approach. It's not about having the most backlinks, but about having the right ones. In the grand scheme of off-page SEO, backlinks play a crucial role. They help search engines understand your content, increase your site's visibility, and ultimately drive more traffic. But it's not just about any backlink, it's about high-quality backlinks. Remember, quality trumps quantity when it comes to backlinks. So focus on securing those relevant, authoritative, and trustworthy backlinks to make your website a powerhouse in the search engine rankings. Scene script. Content is king, but how can you use it to boost your off-page SEO? In the digital realm of 2023, content marketing continues to play a vital role in off-page SEO. It's all about creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience and, more importantly, compels them to share it. This sharing, whether it's through social media, blogs, or other websites, creates backlinks that enhance your site's authority and visibility. But let's not forget another key player in content marketing: guest posting. This strategy involves writing articles or blogs for other websites. It's a fantastic way to reach new audiences, build relationships, and of course, secure those coveted backlinks. So, how do you make the most out of guest posting? Firstly, remember that not all guest posting opportunities are created equal. You want to write for sites that are relevant to your niche, have a high domain authority, and attract a significant amount of traffic. Secondly, your content must be top-notch. It should provide value, answer questions, solve problems, or offer unique insights. In short, your content should be so good that readers can't resist sharing it. And how do you find these guest posting opportunities? Research is key. Look for popular blogs or websites in your industry that accept guest posts. Reach out to them with a well-crafted pitch, showcasing your expertise and how your content can add value to their site. Networking also plays a crucial role. Attend industry events, join online forums and communities, and engage with influential figures in your niche. These connections can open doors to guest posting opportunities that may not be publicly advertised. With compelling content and strategic guest posting, your off-page SEO will be unstoppable. In the age of social media, how can likes, shares, and brand mentions boost your SEO? Let's delve into it. In the vast digital sea, social signals and brand mentions serve as lighthouses, guiding search engines to your content. These signals come in various forms: likes, shares, retweets, comments, and even the casual mention of your brand in an online conversation. They're the social proof that tells search engines your content is valuable, relevant, and engaging. But how do you monitor these signals? Well, a variety of tools are available that can help you track social signals and brand mentions. These include mention trackers, social listening tools, and even some SEO tools. By monitoring these signals, you can understand which of your content is resonating with your audience, and more importantly, you can engage with those who are talking about your brand online. This engagement is crucial. Responding to comments, thanking for shares, or even addressing criticisms can turn casual mentions into meaningful interactions. These interactions not only boost your social signals, but can also turn your audience members into brand advocates. Now let's talk about how to use these signals to your advantage. Social signals can be used to inform your content strategy. If a particular type of content is getting a lot of engagement, it's a clear sign that your audience finds it valuable. You can then create more of such content to continue driving engagement and improving your SEO. Brand mentions, on the other hand, can be used to build relationships. If someone mentions your brand in a positive light, reach out to them, thank them for their support, and ask if you can feature their comment in your marketing materials. This not only strengthens your relationship with your audience, but also provides you with user-generated content, which search engines love. In the end, it all boils down to engagement. The more engaged your audience is, the more social signals you generate, and the better your SEO becomes. Harness the power of social media and let your brand mentions work for you. They are not just buzzwords, but powerful tools in your SEO toolkit. Use them wisely and watch your visibility in the search engine results pages skyrocket. Your users are on the move. Is your website ready for them? In the world of off-page SEO, user experience and mobile optimization are not just buzzwords. They are crucial elements that can make or break your online presence. As we move further into the 2023 digital landscape, it's important to remember that the internet is becoming increasingly mobile. More people are accessing the web through their smartphones and tablets than ever before, and this trend is only set to continue. This shift towards mobile means that your users' experience on their devices is paramount. A website that is difficult to navigate on a mobile device, slow to load, or simply not optimized for a smaller screen can quickly turn potential visitors away. Google knows this, and they reward websites that offer a smooth, enjoyable mobile experience with higher rankings. So, how can you ensure your website is mobile-friendly? Firstly, make sure your website design is responsive. This means that it automatically adjusts to fit the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. This eliminates the need for users to zoom in or scroll horizontally to view content, providing a much more enjoyable browsing experience. Next, consider the speed of your website. Mobile users are often on the go, and they don't have time to wait for slow-loading pages. Compress your images, reduce unnecessary code, and leverage browser caching to speed up your site. Remember, every second counts when it comes to user experience. Lastly, think about the journey your user takes through your site. Is it intuitive? Can they find what they're looking for quickly and easily? A well-structured site with clear, easy-to-find information will keep your users engaged and on your site for longer. With a seamless user experience and mobile optimization, your website is set for success. Remember, off-page SEO isn't just about what happens off your site, it's also about how your users interact with your site on their devices. So, get optimizing and watch your website rise in the rankings. That's a lot to take in, but we believe in you and your ability to master off-page SEO. We've traveled through the landscape of off-page SEO, understanding its importance and the strategies you need to excel in 2023. We covered the power of high-quality backlinks and how they can be your secret weapon in the SEO game. We delved into the realms of content marketing and guest posting, highlighting their role in reaching new audiences and strengthening your SEO. We also shed light on social signals and brand mentions, the new buzzwords in the SEO world. And let's not forget the significance of user experience and mobile optimization, the elements that Google cherishes. So take these insights, apply them to your website, and watch it climb the search engine ranks. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO insights. Until next time, keep optimizing, stay creative, and watch your website soar in the search results.